Welcome to the Bitcoin update, and today we are probably going to a new all-time high. Okay, guys, we are really close to a new all-time high, and I believe that if we are able to break the all-time high, we are probably going to a price really close to 130k. So, as you can see here, let me go to the 4 hour. It's better to understand. We broke a major 4 hour range downtrend, as you can see here. I still have this trend just to show you guys. So broke that trend. It was a critical trend, and after breaking that, we are kind of, well, we got a little rejection on the 1 hour resistance candle there that was already tested. So I wasn't expecting such a move down, even though we got down 3% and pull back to try and probably attack the all-time high. Okay, we need to understand that if we don't break the 4 hour break level here, that's kind of the last top creation. Okay, we might be creating a lower high on the daily. Okay, so this is almost not likely going to happen. Okay, but we can still have a daily downtrend creation. Okay, so obviously that's just a possibility to a bearish side, because right now this is really bullish and we are kind of what, 2% maybe from the all-time high. No, not even that. Not even, yeah, not even 1%. So I believe we are going to break up. Okay, and if we break up, let's try to understand that we have a lot of uptrends here. That's They are just for our range uptrends. Okay, they might not be that strong in the future, because, well, this was just not created yet, because we did not test the 4 hour candle here. This 4 hour isn't tested, so we test the daily only, I believe. No, we don't even test this daily. Okay, we are just creating a range, so it's not even laddering, it's just bouncing up. Okay, and yeah, on the 4 hour we have some we have what, this 4 is not tested. One, two, three 4 hour untested candles, so they might not be that strong in the future when we break down, if we break down, of course, even though even after going to a new all-time high, we're probably going to have a little correction, and probably we might not even come down to these levels, at least on the first days, of course, or on the first 4 hour candles. So if we go to the 4 inside this daily, we have, well, this 4 hour is tested, this 4 hour is untested. Okay, so we have a 4 hour untested candle here, and I believe this might be a good one. And if you see here, we have this 4 hour range trend, we have the creation, continuation, and the confirmation of the trend with this candle here. Well, actually these two candles. So on a 1 hour that might be more touches. Okay, one, two. Okay, two tests there, no problem, it's still a good uptrend. And if we go to the 4 hour untested candle, we might have a little break, might test the trend again. Okay, so this might be a good opportunity for a possible buy. Okay, this 4 hour inside the 4, we might have a 1 hour untested candle. Yeah, let me just delete the daily here, because I'm gonna mark this 1 hour, okay, as the greedier point, and we might go a little lower actually, because this 1 hour, it was tested 2 times. Okay, it didn't went to the body, but it did went to the wick. So one test, two tests, so this creates polarity. So the body of this support candle might not be enough, it might go to the base of this little range, okay, created by this support that hold the price 2 times. And this is probably the best level to try and catch this big uptrend. Okay, how much is that? 3%. Okay, I'm not really sure we are coming down if we break the new all-time high. Okay, but if we have a little rejection here before trying to attack the top again, this might be, sorry, this one. This might be the best level for try to catch the uptrend, okay? And I believe I said everything. We are really close to a new all-time high. I have this red line here. That's an inverse weekly. Let me just show you guys. So we mark the bottom of the range, okay, to the top of the range, okay. In this case, it's like we need to start here because this is the first stop, and we mark this one here because this is too tight from the point there. Okay, so we mark this one, and we can actually go and even mark this one. It might give us a little better correction because, as you can see on a weekly, we actually broke the trend here with this candle. This white candle broke the trend, so we probably need to go here first. Oh, come on. Here first. Yeah, this might be a good one. But I'm gonna mark the candle that broke the trend. So we might go a little bit above 130. And this is not an exact level, okay, guys? It's just to understand. Yeah, maybe 135. Uh, we might not even test the trend. And if we don't test the trend, we are probably just going to break down before testing the trend, okay? And I believe I said everything, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you guys liked my levels. See you guys on the next video. Thank you.